Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Islamic Financial Account login. So let's get started. To log into your University of Islamic Financial Account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for University of Islamic Financial Account login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says login UIF. Now after tapping on that, it will take you to this login page where you can enter your email address and password. And after entering your email address and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. You can also reset or recover your account's password if you have forgotten your account's password by tapping on forgot password. Just tap on this option and then create a new password for your account. And after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password you created and tap on login, and you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Islamic Financial Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.